Not the news we want to hear. My goodness. Look at this. A view of the tornado. This is in Rochelle looking to the north. I mean, there are no words for this. We've got some video. I'm going to err on the side of caution. I don't want to air these just yet, because a lot of times when we do have things like this happening in tornadoes occurring, we have a tendency to use language that isn't necessarily the most acceptable. So we're going to do a little homework. We're going to watch these videos in a room off the air. We're going to deem which ones are safe for broadcast, and we'll try to get a couple of these on here much sooner rather than later. All right, so what do we got here? We have a tornado warning that continues here for a couple tornado warnings. One for northern DeKalb County, southern Boone County here until I believe here 7:45. This again is going to be coming dangerously close to the Belvedere Chrysler plant. I think it will pass just south of there, but still, you don't want to take any chances here. So again, if you know anybody that is working at the Belvedere plant, the Belvedere Oasis too, the tollway Oasis, that is not a good place to be with all the glass around. Hopefully there are some safety plans that are in place there. And then again, a storm that is along the Route 72 corridor, moving through southern portions of Winnebago County, far northern portions of Ogle County. This is another potentially tornadic storm that could be affecting the New Milford area or the Rockford Airport.
And they just have extended the tornado warning now for southeast Boone County, which again does include the city of Belvedere, also Garden Prairie, Marengo. You're in the path of this storm eventually over into southwest McHenry County as well. So this tornado warning was just extended just now, and is in effect until 7:45 p.m. Again, still moving to the northeast at 40 miles per hour. Tornado located near Kirkland, which is, again, if you're not familiar with the area, about 9 miles south of the city of Belvedere. So if you are in the path of this storm, again, Kirkland right now, moving off to the northeast. If you're traveling on I-90 right now just to the east of Belvedere, probably want to get to a safe place there. If you know of anybody traveling in the area, you may want to advise them to get into a safe place. And again, this is as we've been saying for the past several minutes.
Wow.
This is just a large, extremely dangerous tornado. This is something. I mean,
take a look at the video. Take a look at the video that we've got on right now from near Rochelle. This is some serious stuff. Folks, if you are in the path of this storm, I cannot emphasize enough how important it is that you get to a basement, and you get, if you don't have a basement, you find a room that is as far away from windows as possible toward the interior of your house. Okay, our producer just got in my ear and told me that thankfully that the Belvedere Chrysler plant is in shelter, so we are very thankful to hear that. Let's see here. We have one tornado warning for Boone County has been canceled. That's good news. Unfortunately, we do still have a tornado warning for Boone, DeKalb, and McHenry County until 7:45, with a confirmed large and dangerous tornado near Kirkland, south of Belvedere, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. I'm just trying to go through some of the other reports. We have heard a report of semis tipped over on Interstate 39 with people trapped inside. South of Lindenwood, that's in, I believe that's in Ogle County. It may be DeKalb. But either way, semis tipped over on the interstate, people trapped inside, spotters assisting. We're getting so many reports, it's hard to keep up with all of these right now. This was on I-39 northbound, south of Lindenwood. State police are on the scene. Spotters also advising that multiple vehicles are spun out on the interstate. What else do we have here? A train spotter reports a tornado at 7:10 between Monroe Center and Fairdale near the Ogle and DeKalb County line. A new severe thunderstorm warning has just been issued. It is for Lee and Ogle counties until 7:45. I'm going to go back to the radar here real quick, and let's just kind of get an idea of what's going on here. On the southern flank of this line, things, again, are thankfully becoming a bit more linear. So the area where I'm about to circle here in yellow, the areas that are going to be on the lookout for very gusty winds, still can't rule out the possibility of a tornado here or there, but again, our tornado threat, as we see it right now, either across far southern portions of Winnebago County or far northern portions of Ogle County, and then another one in southern portions of Boone County near the Chrysler plant. We can see a pretty significant hook still showing up with the storm that's over the Boone and DeKalb County line, and we have again had reports, confirmations of large, dangerous tornadoes that have caused lots of damage here. We're told that according to some scanner traffic, multiple fire departments are being dispatched to Flag Center. That's a small community in Ogle County due to the extensive damage there. We are receiving law enforcement reports that in Fairdale and Monroe, perhaps Monroe Center, there's extensive damage. One of the tornado warnings for Ogle and Winnebago County has been allowed to expire. To be completely honest with you folks, I can't keep all these straight. There are so many warnings that we've had here. But it looks as though the warning that was issued for far southeastern portions of Ogle County and far southwestern portions of Boone, the one that was necessitated because of the Ashton tornado, that warning is now been allowed to expire as that storm has moved out of the warned area. However, there's the new warning that covers Belvedere and southeastern portions of Boone County. That still exists here until 7:45 this evening. Additionally, you know what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to turn the radar off because we've got so many warnings. I want to make sure that we've got all of our information right. Okay, so we have a tornado warning that continues for northern DeKalb, southeastern Boone, and southwestern McHenry County until 7:45. This includes the southeast side of Belvedere. This includes the Chrysler plant. Again, folks, if you have loved ones at the Chrysler plant, be heartened to know that they are sheltered right now. We have received word from the Chrysler plant that people at the Chrysler plant are sheltered. So that's good news. Very thankful for that. Another tornado warning, and to be completely honest with you, this seems as though it may have been issued here just a few moments ago. It includes northern portions of Ogle County and a good chunk of Winnebago County. This includes the city of Rockford, virtually the entire east side of the city of Rockford once again. This is where I believe we saw a storm capable of producing a tornado near Stillman Valley, moving to the east-northeast at 40 miles per hour. So there's no confirmation of a tornado with this warning, the red warning in the middle of your screen. No confirmation of a tornado there, but there is confirmation of a tornado with the warning that is in effect for much of Boone County, and that is a large and dangerous, damaging tornado. All right, let's see here. We've gotten some reports of hail at the Rockford Airport. Let's see here. The latest report that we have here from the National Weather Service with regards to the Boone and DeKalb County warning. I just clicked the wrong one here. Be patient with me, folks. And I know this can get a little tedious and a little frustrating here, but we're with information literally coming in here by the second. It's oftentimes difficult to be able to sort through all of the information. But let's see here. Okay, at 7:20, so just 4 minutes ago, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Dixon. That can't be right.
I think that's an error. That's, 'cause the warning